Well, we're back on site for our wall wrap. When we initially came here, there was a raw plaster wall. We asked the contractors to put a rhinolite skin on, which they did. We let it dry for a couple of days. Then we came yesterday, we put on our water-based primer. It's had time to dry overnight, and now we're wrapping with F4. I think it's gonna look really cool. There's 4 drops, 3.5 meters high. It's gonna take us an hour or 2, and we're gonna be done here, and I think our customers are gonna be super happy. Well, we just finished our wall wrap. We've been here for 2.5 hours. We're finishing off the edges with a little bit of silicone. If you like the content, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time.